university and extend your knowledge, share with your knowledge, share with your ideas with these all partners from different parts of the world. So this is, again, I would like to congratulate Math University, sir, Vice Chancellor, sir, Registrar, sir, and the Director, and entire students. Explore these ideas and get opportunities where do you like to be in coming years. So you have an opportunity to grab and move on. Second part, I would like to also extend my thanks to the Judge Aneta Lajarska for our acceptance, for the invitation to come to this conference, to seminar, and to have interaction with you. Professor Richard, from his busy schedule, he found such moment to share and to also to know our experiences in Indian judiciary system and how we practice. And that's the way he mentioned in his speech, that he would like to listen from us, that how we are practicing. And then, what is more important, he mentioned that we would like to find the way how you are moving forward and then to implement in Poland. Again, the learning process. This is a fantastic way we are seeing it. And that's the platform we want to create as Indo-European Education Foundation. That's the way we are planning to bring India and Poland, European Union together. World is not divided today. As diversified we are, Indian society, the similar way Europeans, they are diversified. 3 hours you need to drive, maximum 4.5 hours you need to drive from Warsaw to Berlin, Germany. So you are entering from one capital to another capital, 5 hours, max, even traffic and all. But what are the diversified societies there? They don't use their languages. German, Polish. Different societies. They don't like each other. At least we are united between being 33 states. Having so many languages, but you use one judiciary system. Think about European Union. They are moving further to form a federal system. A federal system. Each country, out of 28 countries, out of 28 member states in European Union, they do have their own national legal system. But out of that, how they are planning to be united to form a single judiciary system, which seems to be very difficult today. But still, they are moving further for the integration of political and economy to bring together. That things are moving on. And this is the fantastic topic to be discussed. So much diversified from since World War First, Second, and collapsing of Soviet Union in 1980s. Until today, watch out the integration process of European Union, you will find it. What is their strength? When you call European, close your eyes, just imagine European. What are you imagining? What are you imagining? White people? White people? White color? But there is common 2 things. The skin color is white. What next? I want to listen from you guys. What next? Religion. Religion. They practice most of them Christianity. And these 2 things, they bring them together till today to be united. We call as India. So many religions, so many diversity, and again we are united. And that's the methods to discuss the judiciary system today, how to bring social justice. How to give you social justice. If you're looking for true cases, if you want to find the truth in the judiciary system, how you will find that? Still that truth is existing somewhere. Or you think that you can just change the decision? Very important question to be raised today. You watch around the world, what's going on? We are talking here by setting global governance. We are not talking about a governance in a system for one country. When you call judicial system, We are not talking about Indian judiciary. We are not talking about Polish judiciary. We are not talking about European judiciary. We are not talking about American judiciary. What we are talking about? Global judiciary. It's a global governance. Did you ever thought about it? Do you have any such practices out of International Court of Justice? We all know. We are expecting some different decisions, but that decisions are not coming out from the ICJ, what you call International Court of Justice. Why so? Politically, we know very well that Security Council, you have 5 permanent members. Who they are? Most of them, they are the winners of the First, Second World War. They are the strongest nations. So they make decisions according to their favor. So when they sit there, they appoint judges in the ICJ. We are not expecting that such kind of decision can give you justice. Watch out the situation going on around the world. In Syria. What happened in Libya? What happened in Tunisia? What can be the output of Syrian conflict? And what that aspects, do we talk ever about the justice with the people who is going to be killed by bombarding from Russians or Europeans? Or from the people who is sleeping on the street, having such properties, they are the owners of the properties for millions. But they are hunters. And they are asking for justice. To which court they can go for justice? European Human Rights Court, International Court of Justice, Indian court, Syrian court. Which court? Where is that court? Where is that home? Where is that room? Which room is decorated and one person is sitting and he's asking you to come to me, I will give you justice. Do you have that? Do we have that? Answer is no. If the answer is no, what is the solution? Christian raised in front of European Union. We don't want migrants. You heard about this news, I guess. You're watching news? Oh no. Yep. In news you're facing that every day Europeans, they're blocking their borders. Why? They don't want migrants. Because of flood. Not water flood, not rain flood, not snow flood. What is that flood? Human flood. Migrants flood. Because they don't have food, they don't have home. You destroy their home. So one is destroying their home, and then another they're asking them, no, we are not able to give you shelter. Where is the justice? Which court do you want to apply for that justice? Do you have any governance for that things? This is my question. Are we agree with it that we need to have a global governance where global justice should be done? And we are watching around the world, the strongest nations, they are raising their voices, they do the things how they want to do it. What about the poor nations? What about the social norms? So when we call social norms, it's an ethical point of view, isn't it? We talk about ethics. What is ethics? Humility. Being a good person. I heard about some speakers before. Ethics are the most important part from where you grow up. If I could not be from India, I could not be from Bihar, I could never turn back my head to come back here. If I could not have that ethics, I could never think to come back to maths. I have to come. They don't pay me. No one is paying me to come to maths to sign agreement. But I feel this from my heart. It's my ethics. It's my sense of knowledge. That if I learn something, I'm supposed to share with you. In economy, we learn that even education is playing the highest role to make you richer, the wealthier. When you are poor, you can be richer by getting good education, isn't it? This is the economic term, what we are studying. And then the second principle in economy we are learning, minimum utilization of natural resources to fulfill your maximum desires. Minimum utilization of natural resources to fulfill your maximum desires. If you know this theory, you are a good economist. But how you can fulfill these theories in your life for social justice? are there, education is there, and then you need to realize that how you are behaving in your society. Are you able to do justice with you? If you feel that you are doing justice with you, you can think that you are doing justice for others. If you can do justice for others, simply you can think global justice. And you could not close the border, but you're watching the flood of migrants. Some things I also wrote in my paper, you can have a look on that. And I'm asking about it, I'm sending such papers, and we will again discuss on the same topic on judicial ethics on 3rd March in Warsaw at Warsaw University. So I also extend my invitation to all of you. Whoever is interested, please come. Share your point of view here, share your point of view there. And there we have 3rd National Congress, which is led by Dr. Ananta Wajarska, and also judges coming from around the world. We have from Florida, from Paris, from Germany, from other parts of the European countries. So you could have different thoughts, different vision, and they are sharing with you, and you can share with them what is your idea. My idea is to create a global governance which is lacking behind today, based on your strong ethics, what you learn from your culture, from your childhood till today. And if you understand that till today, people they're asking you to understand your ethics and to bring for others the similar ethics, where people can realize what is the meaning of justice. Only this is the way how to bring and build your institution to give the justice to the society. That's the method I believe we can discuss. I'm here open for all of you for any questions if you have. So thank you so much for invitation, inviting us, being as a partner, and I wish Maths Law University, Maths Law School, Maths University, faculty members, director, vice chancellor, registrar, and all of you for all the very best, for grand success for this seminar. And we want to see you not just in the court of India, Raipur. We want to see you around the world sitting somewhere. If I can be from Bihar and sitting in Warsaw, I want to see you around the world. There's nothing impossible in today's life. This is the world of history. Please come. Thank you so much.